Hi, today I'm for the Infinix Hot 20i and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner test on this device. So I just set up my fingerprint to the scanner here on this near the camera on the scanner on our phone, and now I just make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my fingerprint, and we'll see how fast this feature is and that it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As we can see, the fingerprint scanner works here fast and correct, and I just simply touch it. So just with a simple touch, I just unlocked the device successfully. So let's try it once again. As we can see, that's work correct. So I just suggest you to try this unlock method. That's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.